He's crossed frozen peaks, battled scorching deserts, and stared danger straight in the eyes. Out here, it's not luck that keeps you alive. It's preparation, instinct, and gear you can trust when everything else fails. Every tool has a purpose. Every decision counts. Inspired by that same Bear Grylls survival spirit, we've gathered the ultimate lineup of gadgets built to perform when the wild shows no mercy. So, let's take a look at the tools that could save your life. All mentioned product links are in the description. The 12th essential, the Near Zero Backpack, transforms from simple equipment into a true survival lifeline when you're deep in the wild. Built tough yet remarkably lightweight, it carries everything you need without weighing you down. The adjustable frame fits your body like armor, while its waterproof cover keeps gear dry through storms. Designed for explorers who push limits, it delivers dependability on every climb, trek, or river crossing wherever your adventure leads. At number 11, the RHINO Rescue First Aid Kit acts as your quiet guardian when every scrape or cut could turn serious. Compact and ultralight, it fits effortlessly into any pack and withstands rain, mud, and rough terrain. Packed with essential medical tools, it's built for quick access when time matters most. Whether you're hiking through dense forests or setting up camp in rugged terrain, this kit ensures you're safe for the unexpected. Number 10. The Bear Grylls Multitool is like carrying a reliable partner in your pocket. When seconds count, its design delivers pliers, blade, screwdrivers, and openers all built into one rugged frame. Perfect for setting up camp, fixing gear, or cracking open a can by the fire, it's made for real-world use. Dependable and durable, this multi-tool reflects the kind of gear you trust when the wilderness doesn't give second chances. Coming in at 9, the AOFAR Fire Starter proves that even the simplest tools can be the most powerful. When the night gets cold and shadows close in, a few strikes unleash bright sparks that bring back warmth and light. Built with magnesium and flint, it's weatherproof and works through rain, snow, or storm. Durable enough for thousands of fires, it's the kind of essential every adventurer carries, simple, strong, and always ready to ignite hope. At number 8, the COVACURE Survival Shovel redefines versatility in the wild. Forged from high-strength steel, it digs, chops, hammers, and can even start a fire. With an adjustable handle and solid edge, it feels more like a trusted companion than a tool. Built to handle the unexpected, it's ideal for camping, off-roading, or surviving harsh conditions where adaptability means survival. The 7th pick, the Bear Grylls Survival 3740 Master Watch, was born from a collaboration between Bear Grylls and Luminox, and it's built for extremes. With sapphire crystal durability, water resistance up to 300 meters, and self-powered illumination, it's more than a timepiece. It's a symbol of resilience. Designed for those who venture where few dare, it keeps ticking through storms, depths, and darkness, reminding you that time favors the prepared and the fearless. At number 6, the SULKADA Hatchet represents raw outdoor strength and precision. Forged with a stainless steel head that slices effortlessly through wood, it's built for both utility and power. The shock-resistant handle keeps your grip steady in every swing, even in wet or cold conditions. Whether you're splitting kindling, crafting shelter, or carving your path through the wild, this hatchet is more than a tool. It's an extension of your will to endure. The 5th essential, the INVOKER Sleeping Pad, transforms rugged terrain into pure comfort. Self-inflating with a twist, it rises into a soft, insulated bed that keeps you warm through every season. Its built-in memory foam and pillow offer restful support after long, exhausting treks. Designed for adventurers who seek both grit and recovery, it proves that even in the toughest environments, comfort can be a powerful part of survival. At number 4, the Bear Grylls camping tent stands as a fortress against nature's fury. Compact yet unshakable, it features a strong frame and waterproof fabric that holds steady through wind, rain, and storm. Lightweight and portable, it's built for travelers who move fast but dream big. Whether on a mountain ridge or deep forest trail, this tent offers the perfect balance of comfort, security, and peace beneath the open sky. Third on the list, the WILDAIR Survival Paracord goes far beyond ordinary rope. It's a true lifeline. Hidden within its tough outer strands are fishing line, tinder, and sewing thread, all ready for emergency use. Whether you're building a shelter, repairing gear, or lighting a fire in the rain, it's made to adapt when survival depends on creativity. Strong, versatile, and essential, it embodies the spirit of preparedness in every twist. At number 2, the Bear Grylls Plasma Lighter brings fire to your fingertips in any condition. Its powerful electric arc ignites instantly, unaffected by wind, rain, or altitude. Compact, rechargeable, and built to last, it's the perfect blend of technology and survival instinct. When the night grows cold and darkness sets in, this small but mighty tool delivers warmth, confidence, and light exactly when you need it most. Finally, at number 1, the Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Knife, the top survival essential, stands as the symbol of resilience and courage. Razor-sharp and battle-tested, it features a built-in fire starter and a whistle for emergencies. Designed for durability and precision, it's more than a blade, it's a lifeline. Carrying the spirit of true adventure, it embodies the philosophy of Bear Grylls himself. Be prepared, stay calm, and never give up. So, that's all for today's video. With Bear Grylls style survival gear, every challenge becomes manageable and every adventure safer. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your favorite survival tool. Thanks for watching.